In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your Worldcoin account. Restoring your Worldcoin account is essential if you've lost access or need to recover it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is Worldcoin account recovery via backup. So if you previously back up your Worldcoin account, follow these steps. Open the Worldcoin app, choose the option to restore your account from a backup, select the method you use for backup, and if the backup exists locally, your account should be restored automatically. If not, you'll have the option to enter your account password. Now the second that you'll need to do would be password reset. So Worldcoin doesn't use traditional username and password. Instead, it focuses on verifying users through iris scans. However, here are the main options. Follow the password reset link. If you receive an email, click the link to reset your password. Set a strong and secure password for your Worldcoin account. The next thing that you can do would be to sign in with World ID. World ID is a unique identifier. Consider setting a separate recovery method in case you lose access to or reset your World ID. Remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and backing up your account data. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.